What's up, guys? It is your girl Sarah from Sarah Styles here. In today's video, I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how I do a pricing strategy and how I do it the most efficiently. So let's jump right into it. Recently, I did a video about how to tell if offers are working, and I will link that video for you guys here. I kind of just talked a little bit about what this chart means. So I'm going in and repricing things to not allow so much cushion for offers and try to really price strategically and maybe at the lower end, right under, so people are more encouraged to buy outright. But let me show you the quickest way that I have found to go through and edit things. The other thing that is going to help with this, I'm doing this for, because I'm kind of changing my pricing strategy, but eBay likes you to be active. So it is actually helping my sales as well, because I'm going in and I'm doing 10 every single day. So what I have found to be the most strategic way to do this is to go in. So now I'm on my seller hub, I'm on my listings, and I'm on active. If I scroll down here, for the sake of this video, I'm just going to click, okay, maybe on these top three. What I'm doing is going in based off of my custom SKU. You can come over here, click on this, and it'll organize it. You could come over to start date and say, hey, I'm going to go through and redo all of my old ones first, or whatever it is. And then you click edit, and you want to edit your selected. For the sake of time, I have another window opened, but this is what it's going to take you to. You can come in here and edit all of these fields. This is a great way to kind of change if you want to try a new strategy, or just to kind of let eBay know, hey, I am in here editing and active in my store. But the quickest way that I found is I will go in every single day. I've been going in and doing 10 of these. I'm coming in here to I'll click on this top one, let's say, and I have the bottom one pulled up. So I click on this bottom one, and I'm going to come pull up the title. Make sure that the title is pulling well, appropriately, and my keywords are okay. I can go in and switch some of those if I don't think. What's nice is I am ranked number one. This is my actual listing here, but I want to go through and check how this compares to everything. And I'm doing this in Google because people are smart. There's so many sites out there. Not everyone is just shopping and searching in eBay. If they are searching, they're going to do it on Google and figure out where it wants. So I want my prices to be competitive everywhere, not just in eBay. I'm definitely a proponent of Terapeak. I will link a video up here about how to use Terapeak data, but I am starting to, when I'm going back and redoing it, is doing it in Google. So I will go ahead and put that listing, just the title. I don't want to put the whole title because then it's definitely going to bring up just my listing. So I just put a couple of the keywords in here, and then I'm definitely going to put the size because I want to know how I compare to other sizes. So you can see in the first couple rows, this skirt and this skirt are the same in the same size. This one's $53 plus free delivery. This one's $70 plus $7.50 delivery. Mine's $35. So this is priced okay for me. If you liked this video, I will link some more eBay tutorials here. YouTube thinks you'd like this video, and make sure to hit that subscribe button.